Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with a 16 by 20 inch canvas and a strong desire to use some colors that I love and do an acetate swipe, even though I haven't found out that they're any better than my cotton rag swipes. I'm going to put my glasses on. I found a really clean pair, I'm all excited. So I'm going to do something I don't usually do. And I'm going to put some black down in between my colors, like in a big way. And that's the Axo omelet turning spatula. I'll leave those all the way over there. I'm not going to worry. I don't have a lot of time today. So I'm just going to lead that right up to the edge and sort of scrape it off. Bring it back to the other side so there's a nice heavy layer. I could even probably tip that up and down or all around. Might as well make it the same on both sides, right? And then, because I can, I'm going to use some of my favorite colors. In combination with each other sometimes. Because I haven't done exactly that, and I want to. Let's grab, I think I'm just going to go for the gold. I'm going to go for it in a bigger bottle. And I just used a bunch of magenta. And that's a metallic from Anita's. And that's my magenta from Golden. And this is a Folk Art Neon Purple that I'm not going to bother trying to clean the top out of right now. I'm going to bring that right over to the edge. I'm going to let all those go down a little bit. What else am I going to put in here? I want something else in here. I think the turquoise, the Folk Art color shifting turquoise is a good choice for there. Kind of want to use the black enamel as a swipe color, and I think I'm going to also go for more of that color shifting Folk Art. You know what I haven't used? I haven't used the purple today or Prussian blue, and the Prussian blue and the gold together usually do something interesting. Oh, and I forgot my blue. This is what I wanted to use earlier. Okay, well, I guess that is what it is. And I'll make it up as I go along. So I did bring out, I've got so much paint stuck to my fingers, it's not even funny. You can tell I've just been creating to beat the band. I'm going to let that go down on both sides. I'm going to grab my brandy new clean swipe cloth. I'm going to try and get some of that paint off my fingers for a second, actually. And if the short one won't do it, the long one will. I'm going to put some more something. I'm going to put and then I'm going to use the Anita's White Pearl. Don't ask me why. That's just the instruction I'm getting from my muse. Cross your fingers. Okay, so that's thoroughly dipped in and pressed down. I don't really want to scrape, I want to float. I'm just going to lay that right down on the end. And tap it off. And then I'm going to do some more tapping with my skewer. And a little dragging. See if we can't fake some things out. Push a little something something over the edge maybe. All the way up and all the way over. These are really, this is my second one with these colors today, and they're really dark and really dramatic and unexpectedly cool. If I stick my finger in there, I've got some kind of chance. I know I'm probably partially out of your line of vision, so I'm sorry about that. I'm just going to use my finger to tap along the bottom edge so that I don't see any more canvas. I'm going to pull it over on this side. I'm probably going to tip this just to spread the paint. What's really tempting is to go ahead and use a straw to uncover some hidden colors, because that's my MO. That's what I usually do anyway. I really want to use the skewer first though. Especially since we already had that sort of anomalous mark to begin with. Just dragging and pulling. Now I know I could probably put spirals or something in here if I wanted to. I'm going to go both directions first. I'm also going to put an edge catcher down so that if I catch any beautiful paint and I want to keep it for any reason, I can do that. Ooh, somebody found something they're upset about. I think I would have liked it even more if it had gone evenly. I've got some spots on my bottom I can cover right now. Don't think I'm minding any of that, and I'm still inclined to let it go back in the other direction. It's funny that they're so different and they were the same when they went down. I don't want to really lose all this gorgeous purple, but I like what's happening with the gold. And I like that curtain of paint that's dripping down across also. So let me just take this residual out of here. That's pretty spectacular, I gotta say. Wow, that reminds me of stuff I used to do. So I'm gonna try my hardest. To add a little camouflage to that, that one spot right there. So dark and so moody. I know if I blow in here, I'm likely to find a few colors. I don't know how dark this will dry. It might dry way darker than I want it to be, but it's so really exactly, I really like it. I don't know if it's exactly anything, but I really like it. And I kind of want to try and unearth some blue over here. Very gently let that integrate into everything so it's a little more even across. I might have liked it better before that. Well, if in doubt, add more. That blue shows up really nicely. A few waggles never hurt anything. Matter of fact, I think they really usually add something. I got some all kinds of cells in there. I'm going to quick torch like a bunny, and then I'm going to call it a day and tell you guys all kinds of things. Like, please share my videos. If you watch them longer, you help my chances of staying on YouTube, because it speaks to the YouTube algorithm and says that you are interested in having me seen by more people because I'm worth watching longer. I don't know if that's really ever going to completely work. I kind of want to see if I can get rid of some of that gold right there. I think that'll work. A little bit of it, a little less right in your face. If you roll your skewer sideways, you can often make adjustments and pick up paint, which right now appeals to me. Wiping it off in between, because that's a less outstanding problem. You know, I'm so not done yet. I see this gold here, and I wonder if there's more over there, and there isn't, unfortunately. But there are other things. I think I'm just going to be happy, because this is a really interesting piece of abstract art. I could do so many things to this. So I was telling you guys, if you share my videos, you help me out. If you shop my Amazon link under Show More under the video, at no added cost to you, it helps me out a little bit. I appreciate that. The Teespring clothing under the video has Oliver print leggings and t-shirts, and that can help me out any shopping you do. There's a Shop Now button on my Facebook page called Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More. It'll take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America, so you can see what I've been posting since 2013 there. Other Facebook groups, one for students is Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, and the other one is Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors, where you can see what I've been posting as far as the edited artworks from YouTube videos. There's also another Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, but that's pretty much my home base gallery in Spring Hill. I do sell my artwork, and I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And if you want to get in contact with me, please feel free to use the email address directly under the video. Did you see those cells? Those cells are really cool. They're on the edge catcher. So I let these dry, and eventually I will cut them up and use them for collage. I've got some really pretty ones. I mean, like, I really like them. They shimmer in the light. Unfortunately, both sides are cool, so that'll make it difficult. So I'm going to try and go now, but first I'm going to tell you that tomorrow's videos are often on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group or on my community board on my YouTube channel. If your notifications are turned off, you might want to turn them on. If your subscription has ended, you might want to try and subscribe again. And hopefully you're not like some of the people who have been told that they can't watch me anymore without paying, because that's not something that I did. So I have channel playlists, and if you look through playlists, all playlists, you'll find created playlists. You'll find 1,200 videos organized by the 100, and then you'll find 13 genres. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Thank you so much for all the wonderful comments you give me that keep my morale boosted every day in the face of all this strangeness. And thank you for the donations that have kept me painting for so long and kept me on YouTube. If you want to help me support the studio, a $10 donation will get you into the monthly drawing, and you can see what the drawing prizes are on the exhibition video on the end screens of any video. And I love you guys. I'm tempted to put little things here and there to match up colors, but I think it's just perfect the way it is. So I'm going to restrain myself. I have almost 86,000 subscribers. Thank you guys very much. Look for my books on the Amazon link called Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And if I see any little bits of canvas, I'm going to cover them right now. And I'll be gone, and you'll be gone, because the sun is pretty much down. I'll do that after you're gone. I love you guys. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, saying thank you for joining me. I hope you come again and binge watch if you feel like it. It can't hurt. Bye for now. See you anon. Priscilla out.